and video shoot. It's a local artist. He's doing a music video shoot, so we're gonna have the cars in the video. I think it's about it's at least over 10 of us and some more people on the way. So I'm gonna try to get y'all as much footage as I can. What's that?
I like that rap.
What's up, Laquan?
I heard about your accent. I was like, damn. Oh, she good.
Hey, that fit though.
Yeah, you know how we do.
Tell them we out here for your music video shoot.
Applying pressure. We out here shooting the visuals to Applying Pressure. It's Laquan. You know what I'm saying? New shit. Fayetteville, North Carolina, 26. We in this bitch.
Shout your Instagram.
You already know. It's Laquan. ITSLAQUON. You already know.
I gotta put your car on there.
Hey, cool. We all move like to the next row. That's how it is. We trying to get up under that light.
So move where you parked at.
Yeah. Appreciate it. That shit hard.
Yeah, this is right. You did it yourself, didn't you?
Yeah. How much that cost you? I ain't got them connections.
And he got his name in it.
It's crazy when you watch them do it, how it's all just a bunch of pieces. You feel me?
I got a video coming out on my my YouTube tomorrow. It's gonna be like behind the scenes of how they put it together.
Okay, that's gonna be tough. How your YouTube shit been going?
I'm at 13K right now.
Hey, I just hit 1K. I'm gonna get this shit going. I gotta help my boy set this shit up. Big ass speaker and
I have some other people just finished doing the video shoot at the racetrack.
All these cars over here I'm showing y'all, this right here is a female car club out of Fayetteville. See if they want to shout out something. Y'all want to shout out something?
Y'all better step.
Just let me know when y'all ready.
Go ahead, y'all got it. Go ahead.
Alright, I'm ready, I'm ready.
Y'all come towards the light, yeah.
Over here.
Yeah, right there.
Alright, ready?
Yeah.
Hey y'all, I'm the Vice President of 50 Shades of Slay. This our cars. Come out, show some support. Join us if you here in Fayetteville. Thank you.
Wanna put y'all Instagram up there on the screen?
What's our Instagram?
I got y'all.
50 Shades of Slay, Faye.
Y'all take only women? Only women. Any certain cars? You gotta have some kind of modification, huh?
See, that's what I said.
You know, we slowly take them.
Yeah.
I got y'all. Appreciate it.
Thank you.
The three.
Pop your shit, twin. Playboy in this bitch.
Bitch, I'm a scam. Bitch, I'm a scam. Bitch, I'm a scam.
I'm a scam.
Flame, I'm melting beats like it's some candle wax. Say I'm too aggressive, I'm always in my battle stage. Give them public transportation, put them in the ambulance. So they got me drowsy, cause I'm tipsy, so
Yo, this is the only slime in Fayetteville, man. This is the real slime in Fayetteville, man. Ain't no other car like this, man.
Y'all won't find this other slime pack out here. It's only one slime pack.
That's
right?
it.
I'm talking to her right now. You know what I'm saying? And the shit hard. I'm telling you, it's hard. Y'all stop
like
fucking with her, bro.
So you see my idea come together.
Yeah, hey, it came all together. It's perfect. You know what I'm saying? Through all the bullshit that she went through, hey, I'm telling y'all, don't fuck with her, yo. She on her shit, this shit real hard. You heard her? This shit hard. Shake the block shit. That's how we do it. Woo! This shit hard, man. Y'all hey, stay tuned, man. Y'all here.
What about yours? You ready for yours?
Yeah, hey, yeah. Mine's gonna be one of the hardest RTs.
Slowest one too.
Fuck you. It's gonna be one of the hardest RTs in Fayetteville coming out. Watch. The only charge is gonna have this rap. I guarantee you, it's gonna be the only charger in Fayetteville with this rap. I promise you. Stay tuned, man. It's gonna be on her YouTube. And subscribe to it.
Going like that.
Got back cash.
Oh man, you trying to sneak up on me?
You see me coming.
Pull up on me.
You see me coming.
Yeah. You see I'm back in the vid. You see your boy? Yes sir. Yes sir.
What's new?
Drip check.
What's new? You got something new?
Hey, I just put tire letters on. I did some grill lights.
Where you parked at?
I parked in the back in the cut. You know, the killers in the cut. Hey.
Ain't no good lightning over there, man. I seen you pull up though.
Yeah, I drove by, see. Hey, your whip go crazy though.
Appreciate it.
That thing hard.
I ain't asking nobody for nothing. We gon' take it.
New route coming soon.
You always got a new route coming soon.
New route coming soon.
You able to do 4 routes yet? 4 routes yet?
Hey, 4 new routes coming soon.
If it's beef, I handle
Okay.
that. My lyrics is the flame. I'm melting beats like it's some candle wax.
Hey, we're back at it. You know, another music video, Slime Pack. We here with Slime Pack 392. Hey, she going up. Make sure y'all like, share, subscribe to the channel, cause we is going up all 2021, 2022. We the game, shake the block. You already know what time it is.
YouTube is so bad.
Oh my! Stop it! Stop it! Stop it! Stop it! Stop it!
Hey, when I tell you we out here, man.
We out here.
2-6.
Hey, you already know.
2-6 shit though. You know
We out here, right? Hey, Frank, what you gotta say, bro? What you gotta say to the people?
Man, follow me and go look at the car rides.
You already know.
Oh yeah, the best, one of the best rapper in Fayetteville. I'm talking about if y'all want y'all car rap, hit my man right here with Tell him.
Hey man, we signing off. Smooth Hemi 345. Y'all make sure y'all go follow, share, like, and subscribe to the channel, to her channel, Slime Pack 392. And she good. All right, bro. I'll catch you later.